What if the thing you're hiding is the thing people would judge you most for? English has a phrase for that: skeleton in the closet. A skeleton in the closet is a hidden secret, shame, or part of someone's past they don't want others to discover. It's often dramatic, sometimes even scandalous. The company seemed fine, but it had skeletons in the closet, past lawsuits. She joked about her skeleton in the closet, old fashion photos from the 90s. In politics, reporters always dig for skeletons in the closet. It can be serious or surprisingly playful. The phrase appeared in the 1800s and created a disturbing image: someone literally hiding a skeleton inside their home, a secret so shameful it had to stay locked away. Over time, the image became a metaphor for hidden guilt, scandal, or embarrassment. What makes this phrase powerful is that it's rarely about small mistakes. It suggests something buried, something people desperately hope stays hidden. That's why it's so common in politics, celebrity culture, and public life. But in everyday conversation, people also use it jokingly. For embarrassing photos, awkward hobbies, or cringy old memories. So, if someone says a person has skeletons in the closet, they're talking about secrets waiting to come out. And honestly, most people probably have at least one.